Auntie's going to put some things in your hair and make it look so beautiful.
What happened, honey?
Oops, sorry. I'll put the flowers here a little bit. Does it smell so pretty? Here. What do you think? Do you like that, Jody? Yeah, I do. Are you all done? That's a cape. Here we go. Here's Bella's hair. See? Bella's hair. Just a little trim. Yeah. See? Oh, it doesn't hurt, does it? It doesn't hurt your hair. All done. Yeah, you are all done, Auntie. You're so welcome. I love you.